Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Postman for API testing in Salesforce. First, install Postman and create a free account. Next, set up a connected app in your Salesforce organization to enable API access. You will need to obtain your consumer key and secret from this connected app. Finally, configure Postman with your Salesforce instance URL to prepare for authentication. To authenticate with Salesforce, you will use OAuth 2.0 for secure authorization. Request an access token from Salesforce's authorization endpoint. Be sure to include your client ID, client secret, and the configured redirect URI in your request. This access token is crucial as it grants temporary access to your Salesforce API, typically valid for a few hours. Now, let's send API requests. Construct your API request by specifying the correct Salesforce endpoint, such as the REST API or Tooling API. Crucially, add your obtained access token to the authorization header as a bearer token. Specify the appropriate HTTP method, like GET for retrieving data, POST for creating, or PATCH for updating. For data manipulation, include a JSON request body. When testing, always validate API responses for expected data and HTTP status codes, like 200 for success. Organize your requests into Postman collections for better reusability and collaboration. Utilize environment variables to easily switch between different Salesforce organizations, such as Sandbox and Production. For consistent validation, consider implementing automated tests within Postman.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.